Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of cybersecurity with a focus on WireGuard, the sleek and powerful VPN solution that's all the rage. Get ready as we embark on a journey to set up your very own fortress of digital security. But before we unleash the VPN prowess, do me a favor and show some love by smashing that like button, sharing this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and of course, subscribing for your regular dose of tech brilliance. Oh, and make sure you've checked out my previous video on creating a WireGuard server. It's like the prequel to this epic adventure. Step 1. Let's kick things off by installing WireGuard VPN. Head over to your favorite app store, download WireGuard, and buckle up for the ride. Step 2. Now comes the fun part, importing the server configuration. Picture yourself as a digital wizard wielding the power of configuration files. Tap that plus icon like a boss and import that server config like it's a secret scroll from a mystical realm. Step 3. Customize your server configuration. This is your chance to play architect with your digital fortress. Tweak those settings, fine-tune those preferences, and make it truly yours. It's like building your own Batcave, but for the digital age. Step 4. Let's validate and activate. Ensure everything's shipshape by verifying that SNI and hit that activation button like you're launching a rocket into cyberspace. And there you have it, your very own WireGuard VPN, standing tall like a digital guardian protecting your online adventures. If this tutorial rocked your world, don't forget to drop a like, share it with your tech tribe, and hit subscribe for more mind-blowing tech content. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay curious and stay secure.